Hey guys, Nyisha here, just an average girl, and we're back with another episode of the Agora Models series. I am on box 11, guys, which means I have one more box to go. I am so excited to complete this beautiful masterpiece, and I just want to thank you guys for following along with me in this entire journey. But let's get to it. Not gonna lie, this was hell on earth to put together. I thought it was gonna be fun. According to the instructions, you are supposed to assemble 3 components and put a pin through the holes in order to make the spine. And in order to do that, you have to use a hammer to just
tap it in. Just tap it in now.
Yeah, I was not a happy camper.
You're gonna die, clown! You think that's funny? I don't need you laughing now! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I had to get help because I botched this part up. I had it in reverse, and thanks to my brother-in-law, he had the tool that was needed to help push this pin out, so that way I can position it to how it is. But let's continue. All right, turns out we have a slight little problem here. According to the directions, I'm supposed to have, I'm supposed to be working on the grill, his abs, if you want to call it that. And when I was, I have two components in which I'm supposed to put number, let's call this 50, down here. And then this is supposed to be 49. But what happened is they gave me a duplicate. As you can see, there are only 3 holes that the abs are supposed to be inserted into. But as you can see, I have 4, I have 4 little prongs here. So unfortunately, I can't complete the abs because this part right here is incorrect. So they gave me a duplicate. I'm going to go ahead and send an email out to them, let them know the error of their ways. But we're going to continue on finishing this. And in the meantime, we will wait on that piece. You know what? For kicks and giggles, I'm just going to gently place it over here so that way it gives it a complete effect. But overall, this is pretty much what we did. Everything looks fantastic. Here is my boy's spine. It looks beautiful. Again, it was one hell of a task to put together. However, it came out fabulous. I love it. And we're almost done, guys. Like I said, just one more box left and we will have a complete Optimus Prime. All that's left is to, give him his chest. And I also have other stuff. The third part of the box for box 11 came with his handgun, and it came with parts of the Matrix. Of course, box 12 will have the complete Matrix. And like I said, I'm going to send an email to Agora Models and let them know that they gave me a duplicate because I cannot complete his abs until I get the correct part. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you haven't yet, you can check out the humble beginnings of this series by clicking on this playlist right here. Or check out the rest of my Transformers related content right here.